Good morning, friends. All right, so last week we focused on subtraction using pictures, okay? This week we're going to focus on subtracting using a number line like you see here, okay? So you're going to look at your first number. The first number in this problem is 7. So you're going to go to the number line and see 7. As you can see, there's a dinosaur there on number 7. Let's get a pencil. Let's get a marker. All right, so here is number 7. Let's get a highlight. Number 7. Instead of jumping this way, going up, we're going to jump down because we are subtracting, okay? We're taking away. We're not adding, we are taking away. So we're going to start at 7 and we're going to move the dinosaur 3 steps back. So 1, 2, 3. And what number did we land on? 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right, let's look at our next problem. We have 4 minus 2. So we're going to look at our first number in our problem, 4. Let's go to the number line and find 4. There it is. We already have a dinosaur there. Okay? So now, 4 minus 2. So we're going to start at 4 and we're going to go 1, 2 steps back. So we land on what number? 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. All right. This is the last one I'm going to show you an example of, and then you're going to complete the same worksheet on your own. Okay? All right. So 2 minus 0. So we're going to find 2 on the number line. Here it is. And you notice, again, we have the dinosaur already there. Minus 0. We're going to move 0 steps back from 2. So 0, that means we don't move any. So 2 minus 0 is 2. All right. So I want you to make sure you're using your number line because that is the strategy we're learning this week to subtract. Okay? Make sure you're drawing your lines from the starting number and then count how many hops you need to go back by using the second number. All right, good luck, guys.